Alright, next unboxing I have is the Frederique Slimline Moonphase watch. And I bought this watch because I needed another dress watch, and I think the Frederique, the brand, is really well known for good value dress watches. And this one is a manufacturer, I believe, which means that they actually make the movement in-house, which is something you don't really see at this price range. And yeah, let's open it up. The boxing is pretty nice packaging, and there's actually another. See, this is the package outside, and then they have a case for it. Really nice wooden case here. All right, and Frederique Constant right here, as well as we have a little booklet. That's cool. So we have guarantee instructions, service centers. Okay, Geneve. I believe if they have Geneve on the watch itself, then it means it has the Geneva seal, which gives it, it's another guarantee of quality, I guess, because there's more requirements they have to make to meet that seal. But yeah, it's a nice booklet right here. All right, and we're gonna look at the case here. This is a really well designed case. I think this is the, so I already unboxed my Wolf watch and the Oris, and I think this box, this case right here is actually the best looking out of the three so far. Even comes with a little jar here, look at that. It's a watch that comes with a little jar. That's cool. I mean the watch, the box for the watch, right? The box for the watch comes with a little jar. I wonder if I can put the booklet inside of this jar. Does it fit? It fits. Awesome. Okay. All right, and this is the watch itself. Frederique Constant, Geneve, live your passion. Now, this watch brand is not, it's not like Rolex or Omega or Patek Philippe. Obviously, it's not one of those super high-end tier Swatch watch brands, but they're well known for making good quality, good value watches for the price, right? And especially considering that they're a manufacturer, which means they make their own movements, and usually you don't find movements at this price. So this is the Frederique Constant Slimline Moonphase. The reason they call it Slimline is because of the clean look, right? Which makes it really suitable for a dress watch. On a dress watch, you don't want to have too many complications. You just want to have a nice clean look, right? And that's where this watch comes in. It's also not too big. It's not a really super small watch either. I think it's still 42 millimeters, but it's not too big. And that's also important for a dress watch. And yeah, this thing retails, considering this has its own movement, it's not using an ETA, it's using an in-house movement, and it retails brand new for about $3,300, I believe. The street price of this watch is about 2,000 bucks. I got it online for 1,200 bucks refurbished. So I thought that was a really good deal, because normally, you know, I wouldn't buy a watch that's 3,000 bucks or 2,000 bucks. My Oris was 2,000 bucks, so this is my Oris GMT limited edition. By comparison, I paid 2,000 bucks for this one. This is my everyday wear watch, but it's also a limited edition. There's only 1,000 units, right? But yeah, like, I wouldn't pay more than 2,000 for a watch, I think. But yeah, the fact I got this for 1,200, that's a really good deal. And even it's refurbished, but I mean, it's pretty much might as well be brand new almost. Really good quality here. All right, let's open it up. All right. Ooh, that looks really beautiful. Okay. I'm gonna take this out of the case. Right here. Oh. All right. Let's got it. All right. Yeah, this is a really beautiful looking watch, and you can see the movement right here on the back. Brand Frederique Constant, Genève, the alligator band. And it's a rose gold casing, white dial. It's got an onion crown. Moonphase and date indicator. I really like the design of this date indicator. It's super clean, super simple looking. No date window. It's just a really clean looking way of displaying the date, as well as the Moonphase, the Roman numerals, the black pointers here, black hands. They also have a version where the hands are gold or silver, and the markers, the hour markers are, they're not using Roman numerals, they're just using blocks. But for me, this is the one I got because it was basically on sale. I got it like 40% off, and I really like it. And actually, you can see here on the back of the watch, Frederique Constant, Moonphase, manufacturer, the FC-705 movement, 3 ATM water resistance. Very, very beautiful looking watch. 26 jewels, Swiss made, manufacturer. It's their own movement. Very, very beautiful and elegant. And I think you can really tell that this is a custom movement because there is no seconds hand. There's only the hour and the minute hand, no seconds hand. And that's what keeps it simple, I guess. That's another reason why they call it the Slimline. Super simple. But anyways, this is going to be a great dress watch for me. Yeah, the case, compare it. Actually, it's not that slim. Pretty much the same size as my Oris. But the face of the watch is a lot cleaner, right? This is like a little bit more complex, but that's why I wear it. That's my daily watch, and this one is a dress watch because this one is more simple and elegant. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Frederique Constant Slimline Moonphase manufacturer. So it's a great, great looking watch. Yeah. Very beautiful. Okay. And it's a great box too.